Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I want to share with you the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship and Internship. You can apply now. This is for high school seniors. Take a look at this website. I'll leave the link in the description. You can receive a scholarship of up to $40,000, which that's a lot of money, $10,000 a year, towards an undergraduate degree in engineering or computer science. And it's really cool because you can also complete a summer internship at Amazon. And if you do know me, I talk about Amazon a lot. I absolutely love Amazon. That is definitely a company I invest in. Applications are now open. They're going to close December 15th, so you do have some time. Just click here to apply if you're that high school senior and if you're interested in that degree, obviously in engineering or computer science. I want to share with you a video. Let's watch this.
It's $40,000. That was a lot of money. It was truly life-changing because I think the scholarship truly did validate, my achievements, specifically in STEM.
It's such a support system, and it's such an amazing way to go along this tech path.
It provides you so many resources. It means someone else is also fighting for you.
It's pretty much been a door that's unlocked so many opportunities, things I never imagined I could have before.
I feel like a lot of students have the same impression I did. You see the big, bold name Amazon, and you're scared to apply.
Just apply, because not only is there money for school, you can get to work at Amazon, which is a great opportunity.
My parents talk about the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship in a beacon of hope type of way. It's a symbol that all the hard work it is I put in high school, all the hard work it is my family put, it was all worth it.
Okay, so that's the link. I'm going to share that link. Just apply. That's pretty much it. Just apply. Don't get afraid. You do see a large company like that, and you're just kind of like, oh, they're never going to pick me. Oh no, it's Amazon. No, just apply. Do what you got to do. Apply. It looks fairly simple to apply. Here are some questions over here, and good luck. So I hope you, if you are a senior, take a look, read through this website, and definitely apply. All right, you have now till December 15th. Thanks for watching. Bye.